In March 2025, Apple introduced the MacBook Air M4, aiming to redefine the standards of ultra-portable laptops. Now, after a month of extensive use, we've delved deep into its features, performance, and overall value to provide you with an in-depth analysis. Design and build quality. At first glance, the MacBook Air M4 retains the sleek, minimalist design Apple is known for. The introduction of the new sky blue color adds a refreshing touch to the lineup. The unibody aluminum chassis feels sturdy, and the laptop remains impressively lightweight, making it ideal for on-the-go professionals and students alike. Display. The 13.6-inch Liquid Retina display offers vibrant colors and sharp text, ensuring an immersive viewing experience. True Tone technology adjusts the display's color temperature based on ambient lighting, reducing eye strain during prolonged use. Performance. Powered by Apple's M4 chip, the MacBook Air delivers remarkable performance. Everyday tasks like web browsing, document editing, and media consumption are seamless. Even more demanding applications, such as photo and video editing, run smoothly, showcasing the chip's efficiency. Battery life. One of the standout features is the impressive battery life. With up to 18 hours of usage on a single charge, it outperforms many competitors in its class. This longevity ensures that users can work or entertain themselves throughout the day without constantly reaching for the charger. Keyboard and trackpad. The Magic Keyboard offers a comfortable typing experience with well-spaced keys and a responsive feel. The Force Touch trackpad is spacious and precise, supporting a range of gestures that enhance productivity. Audio and webcam. The MacBook Air M4 features a 4-speaker sound system that delivers clear and balanced audio, suitable for both media consumption and video calls. The 1080p FaceTime HD camera, combined with advanced image signal processing, ensures sharp and well-lit video quality, even in low-light conditions. Connectivity. Equipped with 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports and a MagSafe 3 charging port, the MacBook Air offers versatile connectivity options. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 6 ensures faster and more reliable wireless connections. Tom's hardware. Software experience. Running macOS Sequoia, the MacBook Air M4 provides a seamless and intuitive user experience. Features like universal control, focus modes, and enhanced privacy settings contribute to a more personalized and secure computing environment. Value proposition. Starting at $999, the MacBook Air M4 offers a compelling package of performance, portability, and premium features. Its combination of cutting-edge hardware and software integration makes it a worthy investment for a wide range of users.